I went to school in the late 70s. It was a very political time, I think, in the art world. The professors that I was most interested in were teaching political art and art that could be used as a weapon against injustice and oppression. And I don't think I ever left those ideas out of my work. With a growing interest in the environment, I was really interested in recycling ideas, recycling objects, tearing them down, recontextualizing them, remaking them. I feel like I'm always trying to uncover an idea